Hello and welcome. If you're trying to do any type of home renovations, the most important thing is that everything you do is level and straight. Today, I'm going to try this Dewalt laser level that I just bought. Still in the pack, still haven't opened it. I'm going to show you what I found in the box and how it's going to help me do the simple job of hanging this wall light. If you're thinking about buying a laser level or you want to see how it's used, stick around and I'm going to show you exactly what I've done. So I found this old camera stand that I'm going to try now to see if it will fit. It does have a few screw areas at the bottom, so it felt not too light. Good points are it's quite easy to see. It's the green light laser, and it would help if you have a bigger project. Obviously with this one I don't think it was really needed, just the normal level would have done. Good job. Now what I don't like about it is it doesn't come with a stand, so I needed to get a camera stand separately to use it with it, but then once I have that stand I think I wouldn't necessarily recommend it if you're just going to be hanging things like this one. If you're going to do maybe a bigger job, tiling or something that is bigger and you want to have that constant level all across, then it would be useful. For hanging a photo or something like that, not necessary. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.